Hello, third graders. Time for another math lesson. And of course, we're going to start it with a number talk. Still working on our add 'em up strategy. And today we have 3 digits that we're adding. 9 plus 11 plus 4. Even though there's 3 numbers, we can still decide whether or not we could make a 10 or could you make a 20 to help solve this problem. Take some time here, take a look at it. What do you think? Well, I know that 9 plus 1 is 10. So if I take 1 away from this 11 and I give it to my 9, that's going to be 10. And this will be 10. Add my 4. Now I have 10 plus 10 plus 4, which is 24. Can you think of something else to do? Now, I made 2 10s. So those 2 10s could be a 20. So if I took a 1 away from the 11 and gave it to that 9 to be a 10, well, that must mean 9 plus 11 is 20. So I could make a 20, add my 4, and again, get 24. Our math lesson today is going to be working on some introductions to multiplication strategies. This is not a unit or a chapter all on multiplication. This is just one lesson, just to kind of get us into the swing of things. The first thing we're going to do, this is called we're not doing that, a math message. So please get out your math journal and turn to page 15. I will stop the video while you go get your supply. Okay. Open up your math journal to page 15. It's going to have 3 problems on it. We're going to work with the top one that says math message. It's kind of a tongue twister to say. All right, so our directions say solve, include sketches to show your thinking. Ellie bought 3 packs of stickers. There are 6 stickers in each pack. How many stickers did Ellie buy in all? Now, the important thing here, boys and girls, is when it says include sketches. There's a saying you're going to hear me say a lot in 3rd grade during math class, and it goes like this. When in doubt, draw it out. Making pictures or diagrams can help you solve math problems. Now, these pictures do not need to be fancy-pantsy that Mr. Myers is going to hang them up in an art museum. They're not talking about those kinds of sketches or those kind of pictures. Something like this. Let's look at the problem again. Ellie bought 3 packs of stickers. Okay, so I'm going to draw pack 1, pack 2, pack 3. There are 6 stickers in each pack. All right. Well, I'm going to use tally marks, and I'm going to put 6 tally marks into each pack. Each tally mark represents a sticker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I chose to do tally marks because, like we talked about when we did our bar graph lesson, man, if it shows 5, it's just easier to count. So I can just say 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So Ellie bought 18 stickers in all. Now here we have the words number model. When we are doing math problems, we need to represent our work with a number model. Okay? So there's 2 different number models we can use here. we can say this, what our picture represents 6 plus 6 plus 6 because there are 6 stickers in each one. That equals 18. Or I can write it as a multiplication problem because I have 3 packs and they each have 6. So 3 times 6, that really means it's 3 groups of 6. That's exactly what I have. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. 3 times 6 equals 18. So 3 times 6 is our multiplication model, number model, and this is the multiplication symbol that we'll be using in 3rd grade. So we're going to do some practicing here. This is also on page 15. And this is number 1. This is the problem that's in the middle. We have the same directions. Solve. Include sketches to show your thinking. Don't draw anything yet. Let's talk about the problem, and then I'm going to give you a suggestion. Max keeps his baseballs in a rectangular box. The box fits 4 rows of baseballs with 5 balls in each row. How many baseballs can Max fit into his box? Well, let me try that. Here we go. So let's see with our information. There's 4 rows and there's 5 balls in a row. And I know that balls are round. So I am just going to make 5 balls in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 balls in one row, but remember I have 4 rows, so I just need to repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when you're doing this in your book, or if I was doing this on the board at school instead of on a laptop screen, I would try to do my rows as nice and neat and tidy as I can so that they're easier for me to count. Okay? So we need to count. How many baseballs does he have? Now, I could count each one of these balls separately, or I know that there's 5 in a row, and I know that I could count by 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20. There are 20 baseballs. Now, I need a number model. I could do my repeated addition where I have 4 rows of 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. Or I could do my multiplication problem. 4 times 5 equals 20. And this 4 times 5 means 4 groups of 5. Okay? So this next page is number 2 on page 15. It's missing some stuff. It's missing some information. So I'm going to write a story, a little story, and then we're going to work on solving it with pictures and then a number model. So I'm going to put this on pause. Go get a drink of water, sharpen your pencil, and when you come back, I will have the stories ready. Okay, we're back and we're ready. So the first story I came up with, Anne bought 5 packs of gum. There are 6 sticks of gum in each pack. How many sticks of gum did she buy? You don't need to copy that problem in your math journal, but can you take that information, draw a picture, figure out your answer? I'll read it one more time. Anne bought 5 packs of gum. There are 3 sticks of gum in each pack. How many sticks of gum did she buy? I'm going to pause it and you try it in your math journal. Okay, so this reminds me about Ellie's stickers. So if I was going to do this, now these are just my thoughts. This may not have anything to do with what you put down, but we might still get the same answer. So Anne bought 5 packs of gum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 3 sticks of gum in each pack. Okay, and I'm just going to make nice, neat, and tidy tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, 3. So, how many? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. My 2 different number models could be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. Or my multiplication number model would be 3 times, well, let me try that again. I wrote my numbers wrong. So it would be 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 groups of 3. Okay? Here, our second problem. Fred's mom gave him 7 baskets of apples. There were 4 apples in each basket. How many apples did Fred have? I'm going to pause it and you try. Okay, maybe you solved it like we did for Anne's packs of gum, where you drew baskets. I'm going to do it a little bit differently. Instead of drawing baskets, I'm going to make mine just be in rows. Each row would be a basket. So that means I'm going to have to do 7 rows of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So my number models could be 4. That's a little thick 4. I'll make it smaller. So it could be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. So repeated addition, adding 4 7 times, or 7 times 4, 7 groups of 4 equals 28. So when you are working on some simple multiplication problems, some multiplication facts, it's all right to draw it out. Remember, when in doubt, draw it out. Couple more before we end here. There are 2 shelves with 3 toys on each shelf. How many toys are there in all? Well, we've got the number model right up there. 2 times 3 is 6. But to draw it out, it's 2 shelves. So we could make 2 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 toys in all. On my desk, there are 3 rows of coins. There are 4 coins in each row. How many coins are there altogether? Well, 3 rows with 4 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write our number models. We could go 4 plus 4 plus 4. That equals 12. Or 3 times 4, which means 3 groups of 4, that equals 12. Okay, now you could do, with help from moms and dads or somebody at home, Math Journal page 16, take a number sentence and then write a story like I did. You can look back at the different frames here to get the examples from stories. And then page 17 in your math journal are your math boxes that you can go do for some practice and review. Okay, good luck. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.